So for the last month or so, we've been noticing this bird. And every time we drive by, it flies out right in front of us. And it did it again just now. But I think it has a nest and a family. I think we've seen a couple of them. We'd see the one fly, and then in this field here, there's a bit of a wet spot. And so we would see the other one kind of standing in the water. Just kind of a neat little creature to see. It scares me every time I drive by though. I'm glad to see that nobody's collided with it at all. So hopefully it and its little chicks and family survive the season. Here comes another car. So that's kind of what it does every time a vehicle comes by. I wish it would stay more in the grass and in the field than on the road. I don't know what keeps coming onto here. Cute little thing though.